Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video playthrough of the Trinity arrangement to ACDC's She Shook Me All Night Long. What a great fun song this is to play. Some really good parts in there. Intro's full of melody, great main riff and a nice little solo to top it off. Fabulous. Now what I've done today with the playthrough is, instead of playing along to the backing track, I've decided to take each part of the song and play it twice round. First time is at full speed, second time is a little bit slower. And there's two reasons for this. Firstly, I feel it might help you guys out there who are learning songs. It might help you maybe to help learn a song. The second reason is because I've encountered some copyright issues on YouTube, so I'm trying to kind of work my way around that and keep the great cover content going. So if you like this format, please let me know. And yeah, have fun with the song. It's an absolute classic. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.